Hala! Ang visa ko ma-expire bukas! Hi everyone! My name is Dwayne Boy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Isa akong Australiano na may pusong Pinoy. Today I'm off to the Bureau of Immigration to extend my visa. Grabe ang traffic! Oh, the traffic is so bad today that I'm gonna have to walk to the ferry station and catch the ferry to go to Intramuros. But hey, that's cool. I've never caught the ferry before. It'll be my first time. Alright, I've made it. Now I just gotta get across the road alive. No one likes to give way here. Ah, the beautiful Pasig River. I guess you could call it a tourist destination here. Runs right through the guts of Manila and out towards the ocean. People go fishing in it. So beautiful people even go swimming in it. And other people grow their gardens in it. I think that's what that stuff is anyway.
Pare, walang shokoy dito, no? Walang shokoy dito sa ilog? Wala. Ah, wala? Oh, sige.
Ako.
Ano?
Anak ko, English.
Alright, here we go. On our way to Intramuros. From Guadalupe, we make a few stops. First at Jolo, then Valenzuela, then Lambingan, from Lambingan to Santa Ana, from Santa Ana to Lawton, and then finally we jump over to Intramuros. Just swimming in a river with all these big ferries passing by. That's why they say it is more fun in the Philippines. To be honest, the Pasig River is actually really dirty, but there is a system in place to get it cleaned up.
Pare, akala ko naglilinis sila sa ilog na to.
Sino?
Yung government.
Yung 100 katao, yung isa, MMDA.
Oh.
Naglilinis. 99 ang nagdudumi.
Oh, ganun ba? Kulang pala sa disiplina. Ayan, nandyan ang destination natin.
Dito sa Luyo ang agian ba?
Okay, sige bye. Salamat tayo bye. Sige. Basta
Immigration daw na.
Mauna ng immigration mo.
Sa Luyo.
Sige, salamat tayo bye ha.
Okay.
Amping bye.
Alright, now time to sort this immigration stuff out.
Okay, go. Ito pang immigration?
Opo.
Immigration ba to? Ayan, salamat ha. Hindi na ako madideport. Ngalan mo dong?
Taxi.
Dennis? Ah, nagtrabaho ka dito, Dennis? Anong trabaho mo dito?
Tawag taxi.
Tawag taxi. Tawag taxi. Tawagan yung taxi para sa akin mamaya, ha?
Sige, ako ha.
Okay, salamat. Kasama mo, men.
Ano oras?
Ayan. Ha? Mga isang oras.
Sige.
Isang oras na lang. 162 ako. Naghihintay ako sa number ko. Ayan na.
Yay, I extended my visa! Woohoo!
Okay na, okay na. Tawagan niyo ako ng taxi, ha? Ayan. Salamat, pre. Anong pangalan niyo?
Ariel.
Ariel, tapos... Ayan. Salamat, ha? Bayad niyo. Salamat.
Ay, traffic na naman!